Dum Aloo, a beloved Indian dish. Imagine tender baby potatoes gently simmered in a rich, aromatic tomato based gravy that dance on your taste buds. The earthiness of cumin, the fragrance of coriander, and the soothing touch of yogurt and cream. Hello everyone, welcome to Very Much Hungry. Let's start the Dum Aloo recipe. I have taken 800 grams of small to medium sized potatoes. Make sure the size of the potatoes are more or less equal. Prick the potatoes with the help of a fork so that the spices can insert into it. Boil the potatoes for 10 to 15 minutes to become soft. Add 1 teaspoon salt in the water. Heat the pan. Add 3 cardamom, 6 cloves, 2 red chilies, 1 bay leaf, 1 teaspoon cumin, 2-inch cinnamon, 1 teaspoon coriander seed, 1 teaspoon black pepper seed. Roast them. Make sure the color does not change. Grind them and make a powder for rich aroma. Add 200 grams of mustard oil. When the oil starts heating, add potatoes gently. Be careful with the heated kadhai. Fry the potatoes in medium to high flame. Fry well until the potatoes turn golden in color. Once done, take out the potatoes from kadhai. Add 2 bay leaves in the remaining oil. Add 1 teaspoon cumin seeds. Add 2 cups of chopped onion. Fry it until it becomes translucent. Add 1 cup of chopped tomatoes. Then add 3 tablespoons ginger, garlic and red chili paste and saute everything well. Add 1 tablespoon salt. Add 2 teaspoons turmeric powder. Saute until the oil starts releasing from the spices. Add 2 tablespoons earlier made mixed spice. Add 1 tablespoon kitchen king masala and mix it well. Cook it for 2 minutes and then open the lid and check. If oil starts releasing, add half cup of plain yogurt. Add 2 teaspoons red chili powder and saute everything well. Add some kasuri methi for more aromatic flavor. Then mix everything well. Once again, when the oil will start release, add 3/4 glass of water. Open the lid and check if the gravy starts boiling. Once the gravy starts boiling, add the fried potatoes. Mix it with the gravy and let it cook for 15 minutes. Add half cup of fresh cream for the rich and creamy flavor. And finally, our Dum Aloo is ready. Look at the color. This is so tasty and flavorful. Serve it with chapati or jeera rice. Here are the ingredients. Thanks for watching. Kindly like, share and subscribe.